inspired to make a video. A child's phone that won't even work a single bit. I'm going to help you how to fix it. First of all, we're going to try pressing a number and see if it will work. No, it doesn't work at all. I'll try again. Nope. Yeah, guys, I just fixed the phone. See? It doesn't malfunction anymore. Now let's press another button just in case. Yeah, it still doesn't work. We're going to figure out something to do with this. Oh, I got an idea. I'll be right back, okay? No, I'm not getting off, okay? You will suffer forever, alright? You will suffer until this video ends. Now I'm going to figure out what to do with you. That's better. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm just gonna go back now.